So how do we shift equations of lines and planes? So let's say we had the vector 2, 1. And this vector actually defines the line that is 90 degrees with it. And so this line here is actually 2x plus 1y equals 0. And you see that the line passes through the origin. That means that the point 0, 0 is on the line. How do we know that? Well, because 2 times 0 satisfies the equation. So plugging in gives true statement. Now, what if we want to take the point, how about this point? Let's say it's 4, 3 over here, and we want the line to be shifted to go through the point 4, 3. We want it to have the same slope, the same tilting. We want it to still have a normal vector 2, 1, and have that vector be still 90 degrees, but we want it to go through 4, 3. And what do we do? Well, we want 2x plus 1y equals something so that 4, 3 solves it. Okay, so we plug in. And we see that this gives 8 plus 3, which is 11. And so the question mark here, we should put 11. And now this equation describes this line. This line are all the points that satisfy this equation, and we just plugged in the point we wanted it. So this is how you shift. How to shift lines. And the exact same thing works for planes. So let's see that. If I'm in three-dimensional space, and I have some plane through the origin, it's hard to draw, but let's say that this is the plane whose normal vector is 2, -1, 5. Then it's the plane with the equation 2 plus minus y plus 5z equals 0. And then let's say I have a point, and I want to shift my plane so that it passes through that point, but has the same normal vector, the same tilt. Well, what point is this? Let's say it's the point 4, 4, 4. It can be any, okay, 4, 4, 8. Then what I do is I just plug in. I plug in a 4, and an 8. Well, that means I need to do this, and this, and this. Okay, I can do this. 44. Okay, and so the equation of this plane is 2x plus minus y, or just minus y, plus 5z. So that's identical. Same tilt, same normal vector. But equals 44, which I found by plugging in my desired point into the equation. Okay. And so, any line and any plane, and more generally, any linear space passing through the origin can be shifted off the origin to go through a point by just plugging that point into the equation. Okay, I hope this helps.